Old school, yeah? That's what we're doing on this project because we're going through our old school kitchen design. And we're in North London today and we're about to show you a brand new kitchen design. Previously, there was a doorway here, but there was no door, so we fitted on a new door. We've created a brand new wall. You wouldn't even know it. As we come here, we've got the American fridge going on, guys. Big kitchen needs a big fridge freezer. And you can see we've done a bespoke kitchen right here, guys. We've created small gaps here, but we're gonna be fitting our bespoke wardrobes. We've now created a brand new wall and we've matched the old with the new, but this is exactly how it's gonna be looking. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Old school, yeah? That's what we're doing on this project because we're going through our old school kitchen design. We're back with our favorite builders, Torbar, and we're in North London today and we're about to show you a brand new kitchen design. Are you excited? As usual, we've got the hoarding up already. Gotta let the people know that Torbar's in the building. So as you can see, as we enter this house in North London, it's got a period design straight away as we walk in here. Previously, there was a doorway here, but there was no door, so we fitted on a new door. But not only that, is this place used to have an open plan sort of style to it. We've created a brand new wall. You wouldn't even know it apart from the dado reel missing, which is once we add that in, you're not even gonna know there wasn't a wall there before. There was another door going through here, guys. We've now sealed all that up and we've got a little bit of finishing to do. We've added on an FD30 door. Do you know what that is? Comment in the description below and let us know what it is. If not, I'm gonna tell you anyway. It's a fire rated door that allows you 30 minutes to escape if there is any fires. As we come here, we've got the American fridge going on, guys. Big kitchen needs a big fridge freezer. And you can see we've done a bespoke kitchen right here, guys. And you know, the cooker hood's going on here, done brand new electrics to fit in the kitchen. And one thing you've always got to remember, guys, is when you are fitting a kitchen, you've always got to have a design there. You normally go into Howdens, Wicks, B&Q, but they normally measure up the whole kitchen for you and start telling you, you need a 500 unit here, 600 unit here, 1,000 unit here. But sometimes the units are not fully fitting. And that's why we've created small gaps here, but we're gonna be fitting our bespoke wardrobes by qualified carpenters here. We've also got a boiler up here. Nobody wants to see a boiler exposed, so we're gonna be fitting a bespoke cabinet here with some nice shelves going across here. We're gonna be having a nice granite top. So we've got the granite people coming tomorrow. So we've actually added on extra little bits on here so we know when we measure correctly and not right up to the existing cabinet because we need that little overhang here. You wouldn't even know it here either, guys, but this used to be a little corridor that we used to go through, but we've now created a brand new wall and we've matched the old with the new. And we've created this lovely archway. You can obviously see there's some boxing going on here purely because there's a steel beam supporting the structure above, connected to another steel beam that we put across here. But we haven't just left it boxy over here. We've created a nice carved arch to give this house a little bit more character. You're gonna love the finish once we show you this, but this is exactly how it's gonna be looking. So if you come a little bit more forward, you can see that little bit of space that I was talking about. We're gonna be having this bit of cupboard being added, and next to the sink, when I said we're going to be covering the boiler, is gonna be this cupboard with these shelves coming across. The island is here. We're gonna have a little bit of an overhang. And purely, guys, we like to put our designs right here on the wall because every single tradesman who's working with us can actually see visually what we're trying to create. Because sometimes communication can be something different in someone's head and your head as well. So we work collectively as a team. Love the lighting here, guys. And if you wanna see the finish result, let us know, but we should be back within a week or two to show you it anyway. One more thing before we go, I absolutely love this. You're probably thinking, what is this? Do I hang my coat on it? No, we've got a fascia coming on here and this actually pulls out. Absolutely brilliant, guys, because when you're working from this side, you might have some spices or some things you might want from here. And on this side, you've got access to this side also. So these are the kind of things that we work with. Soft close, obviously, and you're gonna see the best and latest designs on what projects we're doing. So follow the channel, hit the subscribe button, comment, share this with people who need to see it. And if you're around the London area and you want us to look at one of your projects, then hit us up at Torba. Peace.